Right here in my hand is the Viltrox 75 F1.2 XF lens, which means this is made for Fuji. And let me tell you guys, this is the best lens that I've ever tested for Viltrox as relates to using it on a Fuji. And I'm saying, yo, this lens is so sharp. Like, I've used it on weddings, I've used it for events, carnivals and stuff like that. Yo, this lens is so nice. Photo shoots, video, yo, the depth of field of this is so good. Super sharp, really love it. I normally use it, well, before I got the Fuji X-H2, which I have right here. I normally use it on the Fuji X-H1, which I also have right here. So comparing the lens on both camera, trust me, like, the lens work super fast. It's like a native lens, and I'm so surprised that the footage and the image is so sharp. But I use an ND filter on it just to, you know, cut down some of the brightness, because, you know, shooting on the Fuji X-H2, you know that shooting videos in f-log 2 gives you like a 1000 ISO, which you can't go any lower. But outside of that, yo, it's super good. I would recommend this lens to anybody and whosoever had the idea of creating f1.2 on this lens is a genius. And the price for it is not even $600, it's less than $600. I'm like, yo, the build quality is amazing, I must say. And I love the fact about the aperture ring. I wish it was a click mechanism, you know, which had a switch where you could turn on the click and turn it off, but it's really nice. And, you know, it has the manual focus switch right here. Oops, there, right here. Yep. Yo, it's really good. And out of all of the Viltrox lens I've tested the 23, the 56, 13. Yeah, this seems to be like one of the real premium design, even though it has the word pro on it. But yo, this lens is really good. I'm going to actually put up some more test footage from this lens, and trust me, if you guys really love this lens, I want to know about this lens, I would say buy it, test it for yourself. Coming from me, trust me, this lens is amazing. And I just don't understand how this lens is even super sharp at even 1.2. I even have a friend who normally uses, like, you know, 1.8, 1.2, 1.4 lens, and he's telling me that, yo, he's afraid to go wide open. I'm like, bro, why buy a lens and you don't want to try test it out wide open? That's like buying a fast car and you're driving, you super slow. Yeah, the design is really good. I just wish that this was metal like other Viltrox lens, but it's really good. As it relates to video, the focus speed for video is it's good. It's really good. I've never really tested out in low light per se, but I've only tried it about, it was about 6 p.m. Not so dark. There was a bit, like, quite a few ambient lights in the space, but it actually picked up the person pretty good. But if you want to shoot in low light, I would suggest going on single focus with these cameras, because, you know, when you go single focus, the beam on the camera picks up, like, you know, like slightly light up the space. But yo, that's one of the best ways for me to shoot in low light. It actually helps. I want to use it in the night time, you get me? So it's not like a Sony where, you know, that's a low light beast. But yo, and I can't believe that I actually switched to Fuji for photos after using full frame for so long. This is not actually a 175 on any Fuji camera, so it's more than 175. Trust me, I really love this lens, and for the price, I can't believe that this lens is so amazing. Video and photos, really good. But I will try and do a video talking head shot with this lens and see how it actually performs. Is there any hunting per se? Because normally when I'm doing videos with this, I normally shoot at like f2, because like 1.2 like ISO, and then get the data to actually get a ND that is actually 6 to 9 stops, you know, where you can get a little bit more darkness on it. So yeah, but trust me, this lens is really amazing, and yo, kudos to Viltrox for building a lens just like this. Yep, that's it. But I just came here to talk about this amazing lens. See you next time. Peace.